digging the hole. And the shoring system is this system here. You can't necessarily see it that well, but there's steel piles up all the way around, and you see the wood around the side there. And that's just so the hole doesn't cave in on us as we go down.
And how large would you say the hole that you are currently digging, like how large is it compared to a CFL field?
I don't really watch football, so I don't know how long a football field is, but...
Well, for a CFL football field, it's 101 meters long and it's 59 meters wide.
It's a little bit bigger than 400 feet there, and we're about 200 feet coming this way.
Okay.
So I guess we're just a little bit bigger.
Okay. I'm just gonna pan around and show you just how big this hole is. So you can see the camera is facing King Street, going all the way along. You said it's 400 feet?
Yeah, about 400 feet this way and about 200 feet coming this way.
All right, and there's Shaw Street right there. How many feet do you have to dig down to accommodate parking?
For the majority of it, 13 meters. Sorry, you asked me in feet, but I answered in meters.
That's okay.
So what's that? I don't know, say 40 feet.
And what progress can we expect to see over the summer months?
We should be doing the ground floor, not the ground floor, but like the basement floor. So we'll be pouring the lowest level over here, and we should be doing footings and slab on grade on the third level here. So hopefully by the end of August we'll be starting to come up a bit.
What excites you about DNA3 and working for this project?
Well, I'm just excited to get the chance to work on it, really. I mean, it's going to be kind of an icon in the neighborhood. It's going to be a unique building. You know, it's very trendy. Like, the finishes are going to be very cool inside, very stylish. So I'm just looking forward to actually being able to do this project, you know.
So we're in the hole right now, and Tyler here is one of the workers. Tyler, why don't you let us know what you're working on right now?
Setting up pumps to get the water out, because the drill needs lots of water to cool off the drill.
Okay. So this is the shoring here that Chris was explaining before. You can see exactly how high it goes. We're right down in the hole. How many feet down would you say we are right now?
Well, we're like 7 meters.
We're 7 meters down.